Well, it looks like another wet week across a good portion of the area this week, especially through Wednesday night, before a cold front finally moves through overnight Wednesday, early Thursday, with much cooler temperatures Thursday and Friday. Sounds a lot similar to last week. Thank you for joining us. My name is Christopher Bannon with the National Service here in Slidell, Louisiana, and this is your week weather briefing for Sunday, February 16th. Real quick overview. We do have some fall concerns tonight. Did issue a dense fog advisory, which is now in effect for the coastal waters and the land immediately adjacent to the coast. We're also expecting rain to slowly return Monday afternoon into Monday evening, with the heaviest rain likely occurring Tuesday and into Wednesday. Severe weather is not anticipated, however, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are expected possibly as early as Monday evening through Tuesday and into Wednesday. And then after that cold front moves through overnight Wednesday, early Thursday, we should see temperatures turning much cooler Thursday and Friday. Here's a quick look at your forecast for the next few days. What forecast is in store through Wednesday is, but we've mentioned a couple times now, we are watching a warm front that is moving across our area right now and will continue to move to the north overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. Once that moves to the north, we'll see moisture continue to return over the area with some showers returning as early as Monday afternoon, and then likely to see a few more showers Monday night with even a few thunderstorms across the region. Heavier rain, though, and scattered thunderstorms are expected possibly as early as late Monday night, but mainly Tuesday into Wednesday, as that system starts to set up with a cold front slowly pushing towards the area Wednesday, and that cold front should push through Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. And until that cold front does, we're going to remain in this wet pattern. As for your rainfall forecast, throughout the week, we're not expecting a lot of really heavy rain across the region. However, a general 1/2 to 2 inches across the area through Friday is expected, with locally higher amounts, possibly up to 4 inches, especially across southwest Mississippi or even southern Mississippi and adjacent Louisiana parishes. Where this heavier rainfall falls could be kind of an issue as we move towards the river forecast. Here's a quick 5-day temperature forecast for some selected points. The points we're showing right now are Macomb, Gulfport, Baton Rouge, and New Orleans. And as you can see, it looks like our warmest temperatures are going to be Monday and Tuesday, with highs ranging from the upper 60s to the mid 70s across the area. Your lows over the next few days are going to be in the lower to mid 50s. And then on Wednesday, temperatures are really not going to move too much, as we're going to see a lot of cloud cover and probably widespread light showers at least. So that's going to keep temperatures relatively flat. And then that cold front moves through overnight Wednesday, early Thursday, and you can see the temperatures are dropping on Thursday and into Thursday night. So now we want to turn our look towards the river forecast. This is the Pearl River we're showing on our screen right now, both the Pearl River at Bogalusa and Pearl River at Pearl River, as the public is getting a little bit more concerned with the rivers rising in these two locations. And as you can see, our forecast for Bogalusa has it cresting around 22.5 feet on the evening of February 22nd. And if it does get to 22.5 feet, that will actually be the 4th highest crest on record at Bogalusa. For the Pearl River at Pearl River, right now the crest does have it getting to 19 feet on the evening of February 23rd. One thing I would like to point out is that these forecasts are only including the next 24 hours of rainfall, which actually is very light right now. However, it is not including rainfall that would fall in the lower Pearl drainage area on Tuesday and Wednesday. So we'll have to keep a close eye to see how much rain does fall in this area and what impacts it does have on the river. Going to our Mississippi River forecast, showing the Red River Landing right now is expected to crest around 56.5 feet around March 1st. And then the Baton Rouge River gauge on the Mississippi River, we have it cresting at 39.5 feet around March 2nd. As we take a quick look at our hazard outlook for the 3 to 7 day time frame, over our region, we're not really expecting much in the way of impact weather. However, you can see that there is some heavy rain expected across portions of northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and even to portions of northeast Mississippi. And we have to keep a close eye on that rainfall, see if it pushes any further south and falls kind of closer into our area, especially into the lower Pearl River Basin area, where any more rainfall in that region could continue to cause problems and cause the river flooding to persist a little bit longer. As we take a look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, right now there's not a strong signal suggesting either above normal temperatures or below normal temperatures. So what we're showing right here is that there's an equal probability of either direction. So it looks like it's just going to be kind of a near normal temperature time frame over the region. But as we look at the 6 to 10 day rainfall outlook, there the indications are that we're going to be seeing above normal rainfall across the region, and if that is the case, that's going to continue to lead to more river flooding concerns, especially along the Pearl River, which again will just cause that Pearl River flooding to just persist a little bit longer. And until we get in the dry weather, the river's going to have a hard time really falling quickly. So a quick look at your summary of impacts. Again, we do have some fall concerns. Dense fog advisory is in effect for the coastal waters, along with the land areas right along the coast. Dry tonight, but rain will start to return sometime Monday afternoon, especially Monday evening, with the heaviest rain occurring Tuesday and into Wednesday. Severe weather, though, is not anticipated. We will see a few, isolated to scattered thunderstorms, possibly as early as Monday evening, but it's mainly Tuesday and into Wednesday. And then we should turn much cooler Thursday and Friday as another cold front moves through early Thursday morning. Thank you for joining us. Hope this was informative, and as always, try to stay dry.